The 25-ton, 22.5 metric tons, core stage of a Long March 5B rocket re-entered Earth's atmosphere over the Indian Ocean this afternoon, July 30, ending its brief but controversial orbital stay. #USPACECOM can confirm the People's Republic of China, PRC, Long March 5B, CZ-5B, re-entered over the Indian Ocean at approximate 10:45 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 16:45 GMT, on July 30, the U.S. Space Command announced via Twitter today, opens a new tab. We refer you to the #PRC for further details on the re-entry's technical aspects such as potential debris dispersal, plus impact location.